Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Maybe there is a man in your life who is looking for a better shave. Well, I want to show you this safety razor from Rockwell. So my husband loves this razor. He has found safety razors to be super effective in getting a close shave while minimizing skin irritation, which he has a lot of trouble with that. So he's really happy with this style razor, and particularly this model. So this is made from stainless steel. It has a heavy weight to it. And so he finds that that gives a lot of control to the shave, and he just really likes the way that it works. It comes with these 3 different inserts. So there's one in here and these other 2. So these are an adjustment. So it changes the angle of the actual blade so you can get it exactly how you like it and get the most comfortable shave for you. So the other great thing about this is that it is a reusable, it's not disposable, so it helps to minimize waste. And the blades that you put in these, it comes with a few blades to get you started, but in general, any blades that are compatible with this are very inexpensive. So this is actually a way to save money long-term and cut down on waste. So if you are looking for a very high quality adjustable safety razor, I would definitely recommend this one from Rockwell. It's a really well-crafted and thoughtfully designed safety razor that I think you're gonna be happy with as well. And that's my point of view.